am Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about one app that pay PayPal money for receiving text massage. Let's start video here. This app McMoney, which pay $1 to your PayPal account for receiving free text massage. You will get 1 cent per massage by just installing this app. In this app you can make money by receiving text massage and refer to your friend. It's legit app and paying to your PayPal account, and McMoney app minimum withdrawal is only $1. You can withdraw anytime when you reach to $1, and you can easily make $10 by referring to friends. Here is McMoney app. Its app homepage. You can sign up with your email address and mobile number. After successfully sign up you need to add referral code, so you will receive 20 cents. You can find app link and referral code in video description. After sign up with my refer you will receive 20 cents. McMoney is a legit app and its minimum withdrawal is only $1. This app is working all over world and paying in PayPal account. You can find this app link and referral code in video description. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment below. Here in app, first option is start. You can see your earning here and how much massage you received. Second option is about news. That means you will receive notifications of withdrawal. In this section you can see I make 1 withdrawal from this app and received it in my PayPal account. Here it's second option is about earning. In this section you can saw your withdrawal proof, how much you withdraw from this app. You can see I make withdrawal of $1.20 is successfully sent to my PayPal account. Your every successful withdrawal saw here by McMoney app with request date. And third option is inbox. Here you will receive massage from McMoney app, and this option is saw massage till you make withdrawal. After successful withdrawal massage is disappeared, thus is normal massage sent by McMoney. On each massage you will get 1 cent. Fourth option is about your account detail. You can see your mobile number and email address in your account, and you can change it if you want to change. Fifth option is about referral. Here you can find your referral link and referral code. Whenever you want to share this app you can copy link from here and share to make money by referral. Let's see payment proof of McMoney in PayPal account. Here you is a payment proof of McMoney app. You can see I received $1.20 in my PayPal account from this app. It's paying legit app. You will receive payment in your PayPal account with the name of CM Technology. You can easily make $10 per day by using McMoney app. This app is very legit and passionate income for you by doing nothing, and it's very impressive app. You need to use this app once and make some money. If you want to know more about how to make money online, you can join this channel. In next video we learn how to make $100 by blogging, how to start blogging, how to get traffic, how to improve AdSense account, how to use keyword, how to run your website first on Google search engine, and many more tricks for earning by blogging. So don't miss next video and stay on my channel. If you find this video useful, please like this video, and if you have any questions comment below, and forget to subscribe my channel for new earning ideas and trick. Thank you for watching this video.